my name's Hunter Schrader. Today, we are going to make casa de nafla, which is also known as cheese buttons. Now we are going to wash our hands. Just get in that soap, gonna lather it up. Count ABCs, A, B, C, D. We wash it good. Take that paper towel, don't you forget. You dry those hands, you turn it off. Might waste water, but it's clean. Next, you're going to take the handy dandy flour. You're going to spoon it in, because we need exactly 2 cups of flour. And as I'm spooning it in, I am describing how this is going to be made. First, you're going to need 2 cups of flour, 1 egg, I think tablespoon of salt. Then you need 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Right now we're cracking the egg. You see that perfectly good crack? Then you throw that away, you take it up, you stir it, not too much, just a little bit. It didn't call to be completely stirred. You take that, you see that egg? Beautiful. Now we're gonna add that into the pot. Next, we're gonna take our salt. We need exactly 1/4 tablespoon
baking powder.
Baking soda. I know for a fact we need half a tablespoon of this stuff. This helps it cook. Then you need 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. It can either use heavy whipping cream or heavy whipping cream. You guessed it. See those exact measurements? Dang, I'm good. Ooh, eye level, guys. Don't forget that eye level. Perfect.
We can just run freely though. Okay.
Now we're starting to make our filling. Our bread is going to stay in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Actually, you don't need to have it for an hour. I lied.
Slightly beaten.
See, you mix it up, not too much, not too little, just enough to cook it. Add it into the bowl. Next,
dried
you are going to need
cottage cheese.
Oh,
and to do that, we need to
I lied.
Spoon it into a strainer. Okay, so now after you have your dried cottage cheese, you want to add it to the bowl. Fantastic. Next, you need 3 tablespoons of sugar. And like I said before, it's okay if you make a mess. What's that? Geez, still on my stuff. After you have the sugar added, you need 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Like I said before,
Hunter, knock it off.
why?
You do it over the
Mad. Yes, she does.
That's the way you cook.
Yes, it is. Because you have to be exact measurements.
No.
Yes, okay. So after you have that, add the 1/8 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then you need to mix that all together. So after you wait an hour, you have to roll it out till it's a thin sheet. And we applied flour on this before so it doesn't stick to the pan. Okay, you can stop now.
This way. Okay.
Next, you grab a small little half a spoonful, put it about 2 inches from the edge. Then you want to grab it, fold it over, take your cup, that way it cuts it up perfectly. Then you want to pinch them together. And after we have our perfectly sized
So I am
cheese
confused.
buttons,
Why
we are
is
first
this
going to
one
boil them
Kansas,
with water and
but
salt.
this one is not Arkansas.
And they will
America,
first sink to the
explain.
bottom, then they will
Explain, what do you mean
rise to the top,
Arkansas? What?
and then they'll be ready to get fried. So now that we have 2 tablespoons of butter, we're going to let it sizzle at about 325. So now we're going to put this all in a strainer. And then after this should be ready to get fried. See, now we need to add our cheese button.
Your girl knows I've got the
Get
sauce.
fried on the low
No
heat.
ketchup. Just sauce. Raw sauce. Boom. Yo. God. The thing goes grrrr.
And now, after about 2-3 minutes, they're ready to be flipped. And now they have a perfectly golden
You done know. Big
texture to them. Should add a lot of flavor.